Agent.ly, and today I'll be creating a basic real estate website portfolio. So if you're a realtor and you want to sell your properties or display your properties, you can create one with Agent.ly. Bear in mind, it will be just basic. If you want a website with the pro features, you have to subscribe to one of the packages, which gives you access to premium modules. Okay. Okay, to get you started and to make sure your credits don't get consumed by Engine because you don't want to type random. Anytime you type a prompt, you consume your credits, and you on the base package you have 5 messages a month, right? So make sure you use ChatGPT as well. So this is what I did. I want a website using Engine.ly. Please help me, blah 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 blah. As you can see, Michael.properties. And when you do that, you'll get what you're looking for, which get you started. So ChatGPT will give you a prompt that enables you to build your website using Engine.ly. And if you want to make any changes, all you have to do is answer or ask ChatGPT. Okay, it's going to get started. That there, you can choose the model. Okay, so you can use OpenAI and yeah, Google. So it's going to use Google Pro. All right, let's go. It does take time. Okay, we'll be back. As you can see, uh, we put the prompt, and now Engine.ly is building a website. And you can see the website being built right here. As I mentioned, the website layout will be basic. If you want to use the editor with the Engine.ly, it will require a subscription. Okay. Let me show you some of the features of Engine.ly. So here you can see what the website will look like. Okay, there you go. It's for the code. As you can see, just show you some of the features. So yeah, if you're looking for support, here we go. And we have a community. We will start populating our social media channels very soon. Okay. All right, we're back. Okay. Can you see? It took 3 minutes max. So as you can see, it looks very, very nice. Okay. All right. So you want to pop up. Here we go. You can see mobile. You can select that menu. If you want to open a new tab, you can open a new tab. You cannot see because you have to connect to a project, which is Supabase. Okay. And you can deploy, as you can see, connect to a net Verso, download, WordPress theme, control panel, export. All right, it's very, very straightforward. If you're looking for support, we all is here. Okay, so let's gonna there we go, mobile. There we go. As you can see, type, type. There you go. Summarize. There you go. So that's a tutorial how to create a just basic website using your basic package. All right. So write what you're looking for, then ChatGPT will deliver the prompt you're looking for. Choose the module, enter the prompt, click enter, and that's it. So that's the website. Okay, and it looks very nice. Okay, that's it for today. Thank you for everyone.